Hi, my name is Ashlyn Williams, and this is my Digital Platform 2 Scavenger Hunt assignment for COM 601 Communication Fluency. The topic that I found interesting was media portrayal of women. So the article I chose was entitled Sexualization, Youthification, and Adultification, a content analysis of images of girls and women in popular magazines by Ashton Girding Spino and Jennifer Stevens Aubrey. This article looks at sexualization, media portrayal, and the influence of media and women. It specifically looks at how various magazines portray women, whether it be women's, men's, or teen magazines. This article looked at 540 various magazines, like said before, being women's lifestyle magazines, men's lifestyle magazines, and teen magazines. An example of the women's magazines were Cosmopolitan and Elle. An example of the teen magazines were 17 and Vogue. An example of the men's magazines were Playboy and GQ. This study mainly looked at adultification and youthification. Adultification is portraying young girls to look like women, while youthification is the opposite, portraying women to look younger. Sexualization in this article had a couple definitions. 3 of them are: a person's value comes from their sexual appeal, a person is held to a standard of physical attraction or sexiness, or a person is sexually objectified for others' sexual use. The research questions for this article included: how frequently does adultification of girls occur in teen girls magazines? How frequently does youthification of women occur in women's lifestyle and men's lifestyle magazines? Is adultification or youthification more prevalent in magazines? Is youthification more prevalent in women's lifestyle or men's lifestyle magazines? And are images of girls who are sexually objectified likely to also exhibit more elements of adultification compared with images of girls that are not sexually objectified? In this article, it says that there was no previous coding instruments available, so the authors had to design their own code, which took over 12 hours of training. This code looked at 4 different things: adultification variables, youthification variables, sexual objectification variables, and demographic variables. Their results found that 84.4% of these images showed at least one indicator of adultification. 12.2% of these images showed at least one indicator of youthification. Youthification was found to not be any more prevalent in men's magazines versus the women's lifestyle magazines or teen magazines. Lastly, it showed that per image studied, there were at least 2 indicators of adultification found in each. Thank you so much for listening to this vlog.